Medyo kinakabahan ako kasi ito yung first press con or media conference ko. Tapos ahop pa. I am super excited. Anyway, ito yung suot ko.
Wemon check!
See you later, ahop. Bye! It's Mac! Show, ready? Penge! Ginawang pamaypay.
Two, three. Mabuhay! We are Owl!
So could you share a little teaser about your special stages or surprise you prepared for the Filipino fans?
지원?
지원?
네, 지은입니다. 저희가 이번에 팬분들께서 보고 싶다고 하셨던 We Ready Out 버전을
Papakita nila yung We Ready ng AHOF version po nila. Has JL, ang Filipino member natin, already introduced you to any Filipino words, slangs, or traditions? Okay po?
일단
Jong?
단어로는
네. When it comes to word,
마할기타,
mahal
말랑이 살라먹고 그리고 예, 음식으로는 판시칸돈
Sa pagkain daw po pansit canton.
너무 맛있게 잘 먹고 있고요.
Of course, sobrang sarap daw po niya. Mango.
너무 당연히 맛있었어요.
So yung mango, it was very sweet at sobrang sarap niya.
Hello po, I'm JL.
So if you could describe your group's chemistry in one word, what would it be? Parang katulad na AHOF is equal to, ano? In one word.
It's team po.
Steve po.
Synergy.
Synergy.
Yeah.
Synergy.
When we come together, even though all of our members have like different colors and like different styles and different strengths, when we come together, we create something really strong that we can't achieve alone.
So AHOF is equal to synergy.
Hi. 안녕하세요. 저희입니다. 빛나? 오.
Shining. Kasi iniisip nila, AHOF is equal to shining. Kasi nga, kung isa lang sila nag-perform, there's no shining. But if they will perform all together, there's a shining.
For tomorrow's FanCon, I was very excited because from JO and from like friends that have been to the Philippines, the fans are just like really high energy and like very warm welcoming. So yeah, that got me really excited and I was very looking forward to tomorrow. Teaser, I guess you can say, is I think we'll be performing something a lot of Philippine people will know.
Ang question sa kanila is it their first time here in the Philippines?
First time. So, first time. First time. Steven. Second time.
Oh.
Cebu.
Cebu. Nakapunta na po siya sa Cebu.
First time.
Me also, first time.
First time. Hindi. Juan, first time. First time.
Katulad din po nung sinabi ko before, like, lagi po akong mag-isang nabalik dito sa Pilipinas. And I always promise na sa susunod po, kasama ko na po yung AHOF. And now that finally na together na po kami nandito and and finally we're doing it like media conference, FanCon, and even our fan signing as well. It's like super dream come true, I might say, kasi hindi rin po siya madaling bagay, especially knowing the Filipinos po, kung gaano ka supportive yung mga tao, and then hindi pa po ganun katagal since nag-debut kami, pero ganitong klaseng support and love na po ganyan na-receive namin. Kaya we're very, very happy and more like passionate para po gawin yung mga activities namin dito sa Pilipinas po. Marami rin po kami ipa-perform tomorrow na sa FanCon nyo lang din po makikita.
When JL told me we're gonna perform at
really huge stadium.
Stadium.
So he showed me how much big it is.
Yes.
Like, oh my god, can we do it? Can you perform it?
Yes!
근데 전석 외진이라고 하셔서
So he was really shocked kasi nung pinakita yung Araneta Coliseum, like they were thinking na kaya ba namin to? Tapos
Yes!
na sila and then sold out pa siya.
Yes!
그래서 JO showed me like, oh 형, I can't believe it. So we're so super excited to perform at JL's hometown and also meet you guys in person. So I cannot wait for it.
Who are the artists you looking forward to collaborate with?
I'm Ungi, and I cannot agree with that. We are so often DM us, Ariana Grande 선배님, Taylor Swift 선배님, Beyonce 선배님, all other pop stars or superstars. We are so often. We are
Hello, Bo. Thank you for your question, Bo. Anyways, I think the future for ARF is, I think we would like to connect with our fans and our listeners more.
How do you hope to be remembered as a K-pop idol?
I wish we remembered as one and only K-pop idol.
It will be very cool, and our goal is to become our own genre, like ARF genre.
We want to be remembered as not only as respected idols but also like respected humans as well.
You guys are so amazing!
Chat, may pogi sa harap ko! Ato! Sweet fantasy!
Magic.
bumibigay po ng time and effort po para pumunta dito and magbigay ng effort para rin po sa amin. Actually, since first time po namin ngayon, marami po talaga worries, marami pong doubts, pero since ganito po ka-warm yung pag-welcome niyo sa amin, sobrang nawala po lahat yun. So, tomorrow and sunod po magkita-kita po ulit tayo.
See you tomorrow!
Aho! Salamat po!
Si GL! Ang dami yung chika! Girl, alam mo naman ako, may mga kwento na nangyayari sa akin. As in, siya parati kasama. Kotang-kota na ako kay Jongwoo. Nabayas mo?
Wala, Steven tsaka JL pa rin.
Steven pa rin. Ikaw, sino?
Ano, loyal ako sa bias ko kay Jongwoo. Kaso ang dami ko naging kaagaw today.
Isa ako
Kaso
doon.
na naging Jongwoo bias. Hindi.
Isa ako doon.
Steven pa rin ako. Ah, okay. Steven siya.
Ay, sino nakuha mo? Ay, oh my God! Sakto yung nakuha ko!
Who did that?
Jongwoo!
Swerte na.
Ah! Ang pogi! Juan!
Bakla! Nakakabulito to.